So they sent me this really cute bag during like Christmas time. So this is what the bag looks like, and of course it's like, you know, winter theme for like the winter holidays. I did get this around the holidays, but yes y'all, this is the bag. So cute. Like, it's just the boxing, the branding, everything about it is just so freaking cute. Like, this would be such a cute gift if you got it for somebody and it came in this bag. But of course it will only come like this probably around Christmas time, which is when I got this box. But I'm just not getting around to like actually putting this wig on. So this is a little Christmas box, little Christmas bag. So cute. And let's get into this unit. Now I have never, it's literally busting out the box. I've never ever installed a unit like this before, but I am excited. And let me show y'all the goodies that are in here, because we have quite a few goodies in here. This super cute drawstring bag that says UNice. That's actually so cute. And then we got wig caps on wig caps on wig caps on wig caps. 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess they just really wanted to see me a whole bunch of wig caps, because I don't even need a wig cap for this style. But I mean, you know, I got extras, so many wig caps. And like I said, this was a Christmas package, so comes with this little cute thing that says Merry Christmas. So cute. Oh, and it even came with some Christmas nails, y'all. How cute is that? Like, perfect for the holidays. Lashes, those are some very big lashes. A UNice carbon comb with their name on it, their branding. UNice is always top notch with their branding, okay? And then the UNice melting band. So let's put all this up and get into this unit that we have here. By the time y'all are watching this video, y'all already read this title and y'all know what kind of unit this is, but I've never installed a unit like this before. This is a wear and go kinky curly unit in 24 inches, and it is a V-part wig, you guys. So I've never installed a V-part wig. You know, I usually just do closures and frontals, but I mean, I've been doing clip-ins lately and sew-ins and stuff, so I mean, this definitely can't be that bad. I'm actually thinking that this is gonna be the quickest install I've ever done, simply for the fact that I don't have to like do anything to no lace or nothing. I literally just have to clip this into my head, and y'all see the clips right here. There's clips inside, clip back there, and then there's a thing in here to adjust it to your head size, and there's even these clips down here at the bottom. Okay, so what I'm gonna do with this is the crochet method, and I went and got this today from the beauty supply store. It says large hook crochet skill needle professional quality. So you know, this is what I be seeing the girls use when they crochet their hair or when they do V-part wigs. So let's give it a try. I really have never done this before, but I mean, it's super simple either way if you've done it or not. So let's get into it. I'm gonna adjust this first to be a little tighter on my head, not too tight. I'm actually really excited for this, because if this looks good, like, this is a go-to easy style that I have down in the books now. Let's put it on, and I'm gonna tuck these braids in the back and put the clips in on the side so that it's secure. I'm supposed to clip it behind these 2 braids right here, so, and then clip it right there. Okay, so once that's clipped in, this is what it looks like. So now that we got this on, now we're gonna get into this crocheting. This is gonna be so cute, and it's gonna look so natural. This is my first time doing this, but from what I've seen, you're supposed to stick it through your braid first like that, then grab a piece of hair.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man? Ooh.
Wait a minute, because what happened? So stick it in there, grab a piece of hair, and then pull it through. Okay, there we go, it worked. And then just kind of like put it over like that. I mean, my roots are kind of puffy right now anyway, so you can't really see like exactly what's going on. So I mean, it's not looking bad. Of course we're gonna go through and brush it and everything and get it right, but I mean, that's not bad. All right, so let me keep going. Okay, that one was easy, quick and easy. Y'all just wait till I'm done with this and y'all gonna see how good it looks. I'm not going for perfection. I just want it to look natural, because natural hair doesn't really look so perfect anyways. Like, I think so far that looks pretty good. Like, and I'm gonna lay my edges and everything. It's gonna be real cute. Yes. Okay, boom. Like, I've never done crochet, but I mean, she just might be that girl. Like, all right, so let's look at the difference. I'm really trying to get close up so y'all can see. Like, okay, y'all see how this is the side I didn't do yet, and this is the side that's been done. It looks a lot more natural, like it's actually coming out of my scalp. I think that looks so good. Like, I actually love that. This side has not been done, and this side has been done, and it just looks like it's coming like out of my head. I don't know why I've never done crochet before. I never thought to do this with a V-part wig. Like, I be learning so much doing these videos myself, y'all. Because I mean, like, with curly hair, I feel like this can really, like, you could really go out and you can't tell that that's not coming from my scalp. Look, you could fool anybody into thinking this is your real hair, because literally it blends so good. And once I do my edges, it's really gonna, that's how I'm really gonna sell y'all. Okay, but let's just do this side now. So I got the hang of the crochet thing now. It kind of, this little thing just moves on its own. Like, when you put it in, it goes like that, and then when you're dragging it back out, it closes, so the hair is stuck in there. And it's like, I love this. So what do we think? All right, so now that we got the hair pulled through, it looks crazy right now, but that's because we need to just go through, layer the hair, comb through it really good, wet it, put some gel in it, maybe a little bit of mousse, and really just define these curls and, you know, actually style it. So let's style this hair. Y'all, I really need my hair to be drenched. Like, I like my hair to be drenched and really, really wet, so I can really comb through it and really get it defined. Like, I need this to be soaking wet. And I'm taking a little bit of mousse. Oh, these curls look real good. Oh, they look so good, y'all. So freaking pretty. Yes, okay. Now that's what I'm talking about. All right, now this side, it looks so freaking good, y'all. Like, it's giving very much my real hair. Look at the difference. Curls defined, real cute. Oh, I just love defining my curls and brushing through them like this. Like, I be feeling like I can just do this all day. The sound, y'all hear it? ASMR, hold on. Oh. Bomb. All right, same thing to this side, BRB. Y'all know sometimes I just go and dip my head in water because my little thing is broken. This is a continuous spray bottle, but it doesn't continuously spray anymore, so I have to keep on doing it. And I have to like push the knob up because the knob is like jammed. So sometimes I just go wet the wig underwater instead of doing this, you know. Y'all do what y'all want, but this right here do be time consuming sometimes. If I'm in a rush, I literally just go put my hair under the sink and then brush it. All right, so I'm going to trim the ends on this and layer this so that this can fit my face and look very, very, very much natural. I hope this looks okay up here. Like, it's not too spaced out, is it? Did I do it right, y'all? I mean, I think it looks okay, right? We'll see when it dries. So I'm gonna trim a little bit of the ends here, about a little less than that, about that much. Okay, not too much. So pretty. All right, same thing over here. And then we're gonna add some layers here. I'm just eyeballing it, y'all. Like I always say, I'm not professional when it comes to layering, but it works for me. Ooh, that looks so good. This looks so freaking good, y'all. Like, what? Let's get into it. All right, I'm gonna let this hair actually sit and dry, and then I'm gonna come back and do my edges after that. Just because if y'all have hair anything like mine, then y'all know once we put on that edge control, we only got so long before it's gonna start frizzing up, puffing up, curling back up, and go back to afro. So with that being said, I'm assuming this hair is probably gonna take like an hour to dry. So, you know, I'm gonna go fix me a little something to eat, stall in the meantime, and then come back and lay my edges and show y'all the final look of this install. So yeah, BRB, don't go nowhere. But I just feel so cute when the hair is wet too. Like, how freaking good do I look? I just don't know if it's too much space right up in here. Like, do y'all think that's too much space? Like, does it look natural enough? Or I don't know. I really don't know. But I mean, I think it'll be okay. So yeah, let's just wait for it to dry and come back and see what it's giving. Okay, so the hair is still drying, but it's mostly dry in the front right here. It's just still like drying in the back where it's longer and thicker. But I mean, for the most part, y'all kind of see what it's giving, right? I think it actually looks really good. And the fact that, and since it dried, like, it kind of looks better here at the top now than it did, like, very spaced out. I guess since now it dried, it's more full. And I don't know, I think this looks really, 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 really good. So let's do these edges and see what the final look is giving. Okay, so I'm taking my Magic Edge Effects Edge Control. This is my favorite one, and the Laid by Lana one. She does hair and she has the edge control that I seen on Instagram. Her edge control is really good as well. Her Instagram is Laid by Lana. Those two are my staples right there. I'm just gonna lay these a little bit right here. Let's get into it. Okay, boom. What do we think? There's actually so much makeup in my edges right now, y'all. Hold on. Okay. Now I would recommend moving the wig like further up on your head. I pinned it like all the way where that started, like right here. But honestly, I will move it up more because you can see my braids over here, and there is another clip, but I just didn't place it like all the way right. So I would really do the clips first so that you can make sure all this is covered, and then I will move the wig a little bit more forward. But I mean, nonetheless, you still can't notice. It still looks really, really good, and it's literally giving my real hair. Like, what, y'all? Let's get into it. Y'all, this is a V-part wig. There's no leave out, no closure, no frontal. All I did was literally clip this wig into my head and crochet my hair through. Literally so bomb. This is all my hair left out on the sides. I just put edge control, and yeah, this is literally a V-part wig, y'all. So bomb. So I think this turned out really, really cute. I definitely think it's blending very well. Y'all know my hair is very, very kinky, coarse, 4C hair, and I feel like it's blending very well at the roots, and you can't really tell that this is a wig. Like, you can't really tell where the wig starts and ends, and you can't tell where my real hair starts and ends. And I feel like that's always the goal when I'm wearing wigs, for it to look as natural and realistic as possible. And this right here, my edges, I'm sorry, like, they have makeup in them, and my edge control is like it's already melting, and you know, like I told y'all, my edges are very difficult. So, but yeah, y'all, this is what it's giving. And honestly, y'all, the hair is still like pretty, like really wet in the back, so it's still drying, but like it's mostly dry. So this is what it's going to be giving, and honestly, it's going to dry even a little bit more full, which I know is going to look so good. But yeah, y'all, I love this. This is my first time trying out a V-part wig and trying the crochet method with it, but I think this turned out so cute. And yeah, I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for watching. I have a lot of content coming for y'all. A lot of Amazon wigs, some fire Amazon wigs on the way, so stay tuned for those. Subscribe to see when I post those videos, because those are going to be some super affordable fire Amazon wigs. I have my bleaching and plucking tutorial on the way. So many more tutorials. I know y'all want to make a tutorial too. Oh, I'm out of breath trying to list everything. I got travel vlogs on the way. I got all kind of content on the way. Make sure y'all subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Get it poppin', falling from the girl that you couldn't